Hey guys, if you want to change your age in Brawl Stars, here's a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you have Supercell ID. Just tap on it to check. You should see your info there. Once that's done, go back and tap the three lines in the top right. Then go to settings. From there, tap help and support and then hit the little message icon in the corner. Now tap leave a message and paste this message. I'll put the text in the description or comments for you. Just make sure to update the age part with your correct info. You can skip the attachment part, or if you want to speed things up, upload a photo or your ID or passport. After that, just send it and wait around 24 to 48 hours for Supercell to respond. That's it. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya in the next one.